I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're dealing with a transfer pending issue on Interactive Brokers, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your Interactive Brokers account and navigate to the Transfer and Pay section. Here, you can view the status of your pending transfer. Step 2. Review transfer details. Make sure all the details of the transfer are correct, including the account numbers and amounts. Any discrepancies can cause delays. Step 3. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishraq.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Check for documentation. Sometimes additional documentation is required to complete the transfer. Check your messages or notifications for any requests from Interactive Brokers. Step 5. Wait for processing. After addressing any issues, allow some time for the transfer to process. Transfers can take a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the type. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your transfer pending issue. Good luck and happy trading.